As traders, losses are still the biggest problem for us. They can completely undo any good streak you have. It can really undo your trading. It can be the cause of you losing accounts, blowing accounts, and really set you on a tilt. So losses, how do we deal with them? How do we actually manage them? Now, here's the problem. You are taking losses way too personally, okay? And if only we could just see them for what they are. They're part of the business of trading. Losses are normal. Losses happen. They're no big deal. If it was about the money, you could just reduce the size of the loss and it shouldn't affect you so much. The problem is that we take losses personally. Okay, why? Why do we take them so personally? I'm going to tell you the honest truth about why we're taking losses so personally. And this is the crux of all of our problems. And tomorrow we're going to get into how do we start to solve this. There is a solution, there is a way, but you need to first know what the real problem is. The real problem is losses. I'm sure you're aware of that. The real problem with losses is that we're not seeing them for what they are. We're seeing them as a personal attack on ourselves. Why? Why do we take it so personally? We take it personally because we don't have belief in ourselves. We don't have trust in ourselves. We don't have confidence in ourselves. And by that, I mean, we don't believe that we can achieve this. We don't believe that trading will work for us. We don't believe that we can get to the goals that we've set for ourselves. That's the honest truth. You are lacking belief, trust, and confidence in yourself. And you need to probably reflect on that. That's the reason why you're taking losses so personally, because every loss doesn't represent just a probability that it's quite normal, that trade just didn't work and it's just a dollar amount loss. It doesn't represent that for you. It's a personal confirmation that confirms your lack of belief, your lack of trust, your lack of confidence. It confirms what you deep down believe about yourself, that this isn't going to work for you. And every loss confirms that. It's telling you, yep, this won't work for you. And that's why the panic sets in, and that's why FOMO happens in revenge trading. Now you at least know the problem, so we can actually start to address the correct problem. So you're not starting to continually look for new strategies or reduce your risk. It doesn't work because it doesn't address the real problem.